So, should you buy the 16 Maglev Max UV? This is a tough one, because here's the deal. The GAN 16, I thought, had one job. Just one. Be better than the 12. I recorded a whole video, which you're watching now, about the 12 versus the 16. I unboxed them side by side, because the 12, as brilliant as it was, it cursed GAN. Everything after it, the 13, 14, 15, the god-awful 15, all of them lived in the 12's shadow. And now, 4 years later, finally, congratulations, GAN, you've done it. Yay! The 16 is better than the 12. After I recorded this video, I carried on using the cube. And it's annoyed me. It's annoyed me. First, let me give out some dubs here. The center cap's way easier. You don't need the tool. You get a tool, you don't need it. The bag, it's not that crappy velvet, I'm rubbing a tarantula while chewing on tinfoil feel. It's a real bag. One you might actually use. The adjustment system, easy to read, black and white. Yay! The little screw that stops the maglev from yeeting itself into orbit. Brilliant. So far, so good. Day one, the thing feels great. Day two, less great. Day three, oh, now it's grating. Now it's annoying. And I'll explain why. Every other company killed internal lockups, and I'm talking about internal lockups here, where the core magnets and the corner magnets play parkour with one another. All the other companies solved this with a ball core, and GAN said, nah, we're fine. But it's been a problem for years. They've called it a skill issue, and with the 15, there's just so many reports of people breaking the core and breaking stems that they've finally done something. But did they introduce a ball core? No. They put balls on the corners. It's so dumb. Honestly, yeah, the lockups now, they're dulled. But the root cause is still there. That parkour is still going on. It's just rolling off the end of it. So now you get this constant vibration. It's not tactility, it's vibration. Oh, I can only imagine higher TPS, the buzzing is gonna drive you crazy. At first, though, it is like, oh, that's spicy. It's like eating a slice of cake that's really, really sugary and then having to eat 10 more cakes. You're just going to be sick. It's not great, honestly. And in terms of specs, I mean, the lack of ball core is one thing. The no adjustment is another. It's like, there's so many things. This is only a flagship because GAN call it a flagship. Because you can't keep releasing cubes like this with admittedly good turning, but with technology from 2020. You just can't keep doing it. You can't keep getting away with it. You know, they think that they're Apple, but they're turning into Nokia. Seriously, they need to do something. Look, the world champion is out here breaking records on a cube that is half the price, right? And that cube is not half the awesome. It's more. Some people have said that maybe the magnet strength isn't as strong. Okay, get the Super Weilong V2 Anniversary Edition. I've seen some comparison videos saying that the specs, there's half a point different between the specs of these. Half a point. That half a point is adjustable magnets. It's a ball core. It's a full spring conversion kit. You can actually turn this cube from a maglev into a spring because it all comes in the box. To say that these, in terms of specs, the Super Weilong V2 and the GAN 16, are even in the same league is laughable. And the fact that it's $85 for less cube than the Super Weilong V2, for less awesome than the V11, you shouldn't buy this cube. But it is the best GAN that you can buy today. So if you are brand loyal and you want a cube that you know your favorite cuber is going to use, who is a GAN guru, get the 16 because they're probably going to switch to it. There you go. And for everybody else who cares about price to performance ratio and getting the best possible cube, get the V11. Just get the V11. Don't get this. Get the V11.